Today we are going to discuss about sanitation at site. What could be the hazards and what precautions to be taken? Hazard number 1. Poor toilet hygiene causing illness. Clean and disinfect toilets regularly. Hazard number 2. Lack of handwashing facilities. Provide soap and clean water. Hazard number 3. Accumulation of waste on site. Dispose waste in proper bins. Hazard number 4. Bad odor and unhygienic conditions. Maintain regular cleaning schedule. Hazard number 5. Spread of infections among workers. Promote personal hygiene practices.